This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Replit database in your project and ensuring the Replit package is installed so your code can talk to the service. Once done, import the client and reference DB directly. This gives you a simple key-value interface. Make sure to avoid heavy setup. Replit handles hosting. You now have a live DB object. Use it immediately to read or write keys and verify connectivity with a quick get or set operation to confirm permissions and access. Next, you perform core operations: set, get, update, and delete. Use dbName equals value to store simple items and db. Get name when safer access is needed. For structured data, serialize objects to JSON or store dictionaries directly. This keeps reads and writes consistent. Once done, iterate keys with db. Keys, to list entries and delete unwanted items with del db key. Make sure to handle key error-like cases by checking existence before modifying to avoid accidental overwrites. To finish, secure and synchronize your app. Move credentials into Replit secrets rather than public DB entries, and use simple locking patterns. Set a lock key before writes and release it after to reduce race conditions. Once deployed, monitor via logs and occasional consistency checks. If something breaks, reproduce the action in the console, confirm the Replit package version, and inspect error traces. Often clearing a stale lock or correcting a JSON parse fixes most issues. This gets you reliable DB behavior fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.